Hey guys, this is Infinite Clips here. Now today I'm back watching boat ones, like boat fails, boat and ships fails. So this video there'll be no audio because there's music in the background. So once I hear the music, it's gone. I will turn it back on. I got the name right this time. So I said Infinite List on Friday, my first video on the channel. Yeah. So all the information will be down in the description below. The video will be down in the description down below. But yeah, let's get into it. So, wait, what? Wait, there's no one even in that. How would? There's no one in. Oh yes, there is. Oh yeah, okay. He jumped off like a deck onto try to jump on from a deck onto a boat, which of course he failed, but yeah. Oh my gosh, that's like a heavy boat, and that's terrible, and that's quite expensive. Back up, go in reverse. Whoa. Why won't that stop? Like, it was just using the horn. Okay, why would... he didn't hold it, but he was using the horn. Well, you should have jumped at least. Oh, well. Oh my gosh. That is terrible. Looks like the car's gonna get pulled in. That's terrible. Okay. Okay, why in the world would that boat go underneath that bridge? Why? When you know it's not that the boat driver gonna know the boat wouldn't fit, which he still did. Not smart. The Holland Road. So that actually looks like a movie scene. Like it would hit the boat, and the boat, like if the someone back would go flying up, like a video or something. It looks like that would happen. This looks bad. This is like creepy, like weird music, like. Oh, they just hit something. We already seen this one, I think. Oh, you know, we didn't. I'll be right back with till for only 5 minutes, but it needs to be longer, so I'll be right back. Okay, we are back, but this is like a boat launch fail because I can't find any other like boat fails. Okay, it's a boat launch fail. Hopefully it doesn't swear, but actually, I don't even hear anything, so there's no volume in it. Well, that's broken. No, that probably ain't broken. Well. they just said we're gonna slide it down, not smart. Okay. I'll be right back with like another one. Okay, I don't know, but on the front of it, it's pretty much a car driving in the water, so it just, I don't even know. But let's just watch. Wait, what just happened? They just hit some, they were just driving in water. I think this is like people driving in water. Oh, this guy with a trailer. I think there was a flood. Yeah, I think there's normally a path, but there's none. Hopefully it's not flooded. Okay. A cat pretty much saw him do it. But this is gonna be it for this video. So please subscribe if you're new.